In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Outlook password. First of all, open the Outlook app on your desktop. Once you're in the app, click on the File option located in the upper left corner of your screen. After that, a new menu will appear. Click on Account Settings and then select Account Settings again from the drop-down menu. This will open a window displaying all the email accounts configured in your Outlook. Select the account you want to check the password for and then see if you can click on Repair. Please note that this option may only be available if you're using an older version of Outlook. If you're using a newer version of Outlook, the Repair option may be grayed out. In that case, you'll need to check your saved passwords in your web browser. Open any browser on your system and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. From there, hover your mouse over Passwords and Autofill, and then click on Google Password Manager. This will take you to the Password Manager. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites for which you've saved passwords. Look for Microsoft.com in the list. This entry contains your saved Outlook password. Click on it, and then click on the eye icon to reveal the password. Once you do that, your Outlook password will be displayed, and that's how you check your Outlook password.